Welcome to our kitchen.
Today, it's almost Halloween. Today we're gonna do some Kolakakor. It's a Swedish
Biscuit eller
cookie. Yeah.
Cookie, yes.
Yeah.
Swedish cookie.
It tastes really good. So let's do this. Right, Mama?
Right.
Right.
Okay, Shala, let's do this.
Let's do this.
100 grams of butter.
Butter. Oh.
There. Wait! We forgot something.
Oh.
What is this? We forgot this. Okay.
I'm beautiful.
You're always.
I'm beautiful. In here?
Yeah. In there.
Are you
There.
trying to eat me?
No, I cannot eat you. You're the same as me.
Okay. Mix the butter. Make it fluffy before you do something with it. One full or
So
one.
that's enough. Yes. That will be good.
I love sugar. Syrup.
Flour.
Oh.
1.
And a half.
Try.
It's perfecto. Får jag se? Jag vill göra.
Okay. Good.
Mom, I'm doing right.
Yay.
Am I doing
Go.
right, Mama?
Yes, you're doing good.
My hair is not like this.
We're done. Now
Done.
we're gonna put it in the oven. I think we're going to.
Kolakakor. Kolakakor. Kolakakor.
A
Kolakakor.
bit. It's okay.
You're better look like this with many, yeah. No, no.
Oh, okay.
All. No, no, no.
Our cookie monster wants to eat more.
No.
It's not yet ready.
It's gonna look like this. And because it's almost Halloween, we're gonna color it, of course. Do we not have black?
Nope. No, we have red.
Red. But it's gonna be pink.
Yeah. We have purple.
Okay, purple. The next. Good. It looks scary. We're trying.
It's just trial.
Yeah.
So
I hope it tastes good with the purple, black,
dark purple.
dark blue, purple.
Purple.
Looks black in the camera, almost, and in real life, almost. Oops. Dropped a little piece. My mom here, she's the expert.
Am I the expert?
She's doing the perfect, desserts and the cooking, yeah. No, my mom, she's the best.
Wow.
No.
Okay, now we're gonna
Wait,
put it
this
in the
one.
oven.
I should eat it. I'm gonna eat it.
You have to, Nathan.
Okay. Taste it, it's good. This small piece. I'm gonna get this piece.
All right. You want to get
and gonna eat it. This is more better.
It's good? How many thumbs up?
10,000.
Oh wow! Many? So many.
1,000 million.
Wow. Okay.
1 million.
Alright. Peace out. Bye.